What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. Well guys, have you ever imagined when you are playing a fun game in the virtual reality and all of a sudden that fun game can be turned into the nightmare and also spooky? Yes guys, in this video I would like to share you how to transform this picture to become this one. There is a man who is playing a fun game, let's say in the virtual reality, and after using the special prompt, this picture can be transformed into a nightmare by doing the game in the virtual reality. How to create this? It is very easy. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I used before was the Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. However, if you'd like to use another platform or another AI, it is very okay, you can go with it, and here I will also share you the prompt to create this photo transformation guys. And if you'd like to access it via Google AI Studio, then don't forget to do the login first with your email, and this is the look of the home page. And after that, you can continue to click Try Nano Banana. And after that, you can upload the photo when you are playing a game in the virtual reality. And after that, I will put this prompt into this section. You can give it a screenshot or copy it from the description box. Basically, the prompt will be like this. Change this picture to be a hyper-realistic, creepy Halloween theme image of an elderly man, since the picture is portrayed about the elderly man. And after that, and also his face contoured in the sheer terror, eyes wide with the horror, and as he clutches his VR controllers. And the another detail will be he is still wearing the VR headset, but it seems to be malfunctioned, and also showing the glitchy, terrifying virtuals like this until the ghost is popped up from this virtual reality. And also he sits in a decaying cobweb covered armchair and also placed in a truly desolate, fog shrouded and post-apocalyptic wasteland, gnarled skeletal tree and ruined Gothic style buildings loom in the background like this. And also this building is under the sickly green moon, and sinister shadowy figure are barely visible is in the swirling mist, and also the ground is littered with the unsettling Halloween decorations like the broken jack-o'-lantern and also skeletal remains. This is the skeletal. And also the atmosphere is intensely creepy and suspenseful and filled with the sense of inescapable, dread, or in case that you can escape from this situation. So this is the prompt that we will use, and after that you can click run and kindly wait for the result or the output. Basically, this is the same prompt that I used before. However, you can also have the different result or different output guys in this section. So if you love the result, then you can simply download it, clicking this download button. And after that, you can simply share it, let's say, into your favorite social media. However, if you'd like to have another result, don't worry, because you can click this rerun this turn in this section or in this section. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and you can let us know if this prompt also worked for you guys. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.